All right, it's a little slow today, so we're gonna make a quick video changing out this brass sleeve that an inspector has said is too worn. Pop this guy up, take the plunger out. Show you that in a second. Get the rod here. And the little hockey puck thing that's underneath of it. You can see it's been flipped here a couple times. She's seen better days, but that's all right. We got a little rubber washer in there. That wasn't changed too long ago. It's all right. If I had a new one, I'd probably switch it out. Now the trick is if I can get this guy out. So, I have seen some with holes in it before. It is slightly worn on the one side. I'm really surprised that he has called this to change. But he makes the call. I'm going to put our new one in, make sure this fits in there, which it does. That is super tall. There was a lot more on here, but that's all over the elevator here now. Just give this a quick wipe. Same with this little puck. So when this is energized and pushes that plunger down, this is what actually opens up the brake. Just gonna give this a little clean with a little emery cloth. Nothing special, just a wee bit. Put the washer back in. It's still pretty thick. I mean, it's really stiff, brittle. But like I said, I don't have another one. Ah. There we go. It'll be interesting to see if that is too tall for the lid, but it's not. This just has a little part there, right, for that rod. We'll give her a tap. pretty tight in there now. We'll send it to a couple floors. Like I said before, this is an old elevator. We're here quite a bit for service calls, trying to keep it running. Just thought it'd be a little neat to see just swapping out that brass real quick.